It finally happened. I got liquidated. Sa mga may hindi alam, I not only invest in crypto, I also trade crypto. Ngayon, when it comes to trading, may mga mas advanced type of trading called leverage trading. Ito yung trading na humihiram ka ng pera para makapagbili ka ng mas maraming crypto compared sa actual na pera mo. So that means that you can leverage your money 10 times, 20 times, 50 times, 100 times. So, for $10, you can buy as much as $100 to $200 to $1,000. Ang maganda dito ay pag gumalaw yung presyo ng crypto na tinetrade mo, ang kita mo dito is 5% times 20. Ganon kagaling itong leverage trade. Ang problema naman dito ay pag natalo ka, yung talo mo din ay kasing laki. At pag kulang yung pondo mo kumpara sa mga tinataya mo, pwede kang maliquidate. Kukunin ng exchange yung pera mo para bayaran yung inutang mo na pera. At yun ang nangyari sa akin kagabi. So ikukwento ko lang sa inyo what happened last night to me. Nung afternoon, tinitignan ko yung positions ko. May mga naka-open position ako. Ibig sabihin, nakataya ako with certain cryptos. Now, matagal siyang hindi gumagalaw. Medyo flat kasi yung crypto market. Kaya hinayaan ko na lang siya. Ang problema nung hinayaan ko siya, last night, bumagsak ang presyo ng mga crypto na hawak ko by around 25 to 30%. At dahil naka 20x leverage ako, mas malaki yung exposure ko na natalo. Hindi na kinaya nung margin ko o yung collateral ko yung mga losses ko, kaya na-liquidate ako. Alam mo ba, in the last 24 hours, there were over $880 million liquidated. I was one of them. Now, I'm not doing this video para mag-rant about losing the money. I can take the loss. Masakit, pero I can take it. But I'm doing this video kasi I wanted to share with you some of the learnings I had that I actually kind of knew already na hindi ko lang ginawa or in-implement nung time na yun. And I don't know why. Nakakalimutan ko rin eh. And by the way, I'm not an expert trader. I'm just like a regular trader like everyone else. And I just like to share some of the learnings I have. This is the first time I've been liquidated. And my God, para kang sinapak sa tiyan. Ang sakit niya talaga. And until now, ramdam ko yung sakit niya. So ano ba yung mga lessons na natutunan ko dito sa liquidation na nangyari sa akin? Number 1, pag nagtitrade ka ng leverage, make sure to close your positions before you go to bed at night. Number 2, pag yung position hawak mo ay flat, ibig sabihin mababa yung volatility, hindi gumagalaw masyado yung presyo, you either should close your position and wait to see where the market is going, o kaya hedge your position. Hedging means kung nakataya ka long, ibig sabihin, tingin mo tataas yung presyo, maglagay ka rin ng exact same position short. Ibig sabihin, tingin mo bababa yung presyo. That way, whichever direction the market goes, protektado ka at hindi mawawala yung pera mo. At pag cut loss mo, wait to see what the market does and wait for a significant move bago ka pumasok ulit sa market. At kahit may talo ka na, okay lang yan kasi yung loss na yan is better than losing your entire margin or the money in your account. At ang last lesson ko dito, kung kaya mong i-trade yung coin na yon on spot trading versus futures trading or leverage trade, mag-spot trading ka na lang. Spot trading is literally just buying or selling that particular crypto. Pag ganun kasi hindi ka maliliquidate versus leverage trade where you're using borrowed money to be able to get the crypto. Pag ganun kasi may chance kang maliquidate tulad ng nangyari sa akin. At yun yung 3 lessons ko na natutunan ko dito sa liquidation na nangyari sa akin. And I hope that you guys learned something from this as well. And let me know what are the lessons that you learned from this liquidation. O kaya baka ikaw may mga tips ka rin na pwedeng ma-share sa ating audience. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And if you guys did notice, I'm wearing a Bitcoin white shirt or a white paper t-shirt. This is the actual abstract from the Bitcoin white paper. Kung nagustuhan mo itong shirt na to, click on the link and get your Bitcoin white shirt right now. At parang Bitcoin din siya. It's in limited quantities. Kaya mag-order ka na bago pa siya maubos. At sa mga nagtataka kung ba't mukhang hindi ako masyadong affected. Actually, affected ako by the way. Kasi ang daming pwedeng gawin sa perang yun, ano. Pero, I only trade a small portion of my total portfolio. Most of my portfolio kasi is invested. And most of it is in Bitcoin. That's why kahit na masakit, I can afford these losses. So I hope I was able to share something with you guys in this video. And if you like videos tulad nito, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you're notified of my latest videos. This is Christian. Magkita tayo muli sa aking susunod na video. Wow. Grabe. Just wow.